Are you ready to start a passive income that'll make money for you even while you sleep? Then this is the right video for you, because in this video we're going to go over the 5 best passive incomes to start in 2022. So let's get started. Number 1 on our list, we have affiliate marketing. If you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's basically recommending somebody a product. So let's say it was a certain water bottle that I wanted you to buy on Amazon, and I sent you over to Amazon using a link and you bought that item. Then I would get paid because Amazon got that customer because of me. They split the commissions with me. That's basically affiliate marketing in a nutshell. There's a couple of different ways that you can start affiliate marketing, and most of them is free. The first one anybody can really start, and that's by using social media. Let's say you on Instagram or Pinterest, TikTok, whatever it is, you got like 100 followers, 200, 300, just a couple of followers, and you recommended somebody a product. Let's use the water bottle example again. Let's say you recommended that water bottle to your 100, 200 followers, and like 2-3 people went over to Amazon, clicked on your link that was in your profile or wherever you put it, and they bought that water bottle. Then you will get that commission for that. So you don't need a big audience or anything to start affiliate marketing. You can do it with 100, 200 people, and if you have more, the bigger the audience, the better. You can even just start with your friends. Let's say you got a lot of friends or family and they buy stuff off of like Amazon. Like, it can be any product off of Amazon. It can be in cars and computers, whatever industry it's in. If it's on Amazon, you can send them a link for it. And let's say they buy that link, all your friends and family, they go and buy some off of Amazon, then you would get paid for that. So that's a great way to start it, with just friends and family. There's different companies out there that like CJ Affiliate and Impact that work with affiliates to get them to different brands, but the main one people use is Amazon because they accept pretty much anyone, and Amazon already has a lot of trust with a lot of people. So selling people stuff off of Amazon or just recommending it on a product is way easier than basically any other website, because Amazon is so popular in the world. To get started with it, all you got to do is just go to Amazon Associates. If you have an Amazon account already, then you can just easily sign up with them through that. And once you sign up, it's going to be a bar at the top of your screen. You can click on any product and get the link that easy, and then you just can send it over to whoever or whomever you want, and just that easy. They click on that, you'll be getting paid. Let's say for a half a year you just put in an hour or 2 a day just learning about affiliate marketing or just investing time in it. I guarantee you can grow this into a very nice passive online income. You can easily grow this to $2,000 plus each month. It's just all about how much time you put into it. So if you got the time to spare, definitely learn more about affiliate marketing. Alright, and on to our second best passive income, and that is social media. Social media is like TikTok and YouTube pay you per views, meaning every 1,000 views you get, they'll pay you a certain amount. This works great for how much content you made. So let's say for a half a year or a year you've been making content consistently and people have been consuming that content. That'd be great, because it don't matter if it's been 2, 3, 4 years. If people still consuming your content, you'll still be getting paid for that. And if you're thinking it will be too hard to make content or anything of that sort, just think about what you're good at. Whatever your talent is, I'm pretty sure you have one. It could be microphones, computers, books, whatever it is. I'm pretty sure you're good at something. So just make a YouTube about that and just make content around that, and you do pretty good. The bigger your audience, the better. You get paid per view, so that means if you got 50,000 views off of one video, that'd be way better than just 1,000 views. So just remember just to keep making great content and people will consume it. And let's say you did grow up to a decent amount on the platform, you can easily go off the brand deals and really grow this passive income into even a full-time income. Alright, and on to our third best passive income, and that is blogging / creating a website. First, I want to say this takes the most time and effort up front, but this can easily grow into your most passive income. The reason for this being is because you'll be making a website on Google. So just like with YouTube, 5, 6, 7 years later, if somebody's still coming to that website, you still be getting paid for it. Let's say you haven't even went to that website in like a month or 2, and it's still making you money because of the post that you made, because people always searching something up. So if somebody's still searching up that content that you made and you still getting ranked for that off of Google, you'll still be making cash from it. The way to get started with website creation is first by going to a web hosting provider. I recommend Name Hero and SiteGround because they're pretty fast and pretty reliable, and it even help walk you through setting up your website if you ask them. And don't worry about creating a website being hard or anything. Creating a website has gotten really easy over the years. It's pretty much drag and drop now, so pretty much anyone can learn how to do it in a week or 2. And the more you learn about it will give a better experience to any of your audience that come to your website. And you want to create a website about a topic. So let's say you want to create a website about books, mice, keyboards, whatever it is. you just want to center it around that topic and create blogs around it. I suggest 30 to 50 blogs on your website, just, you know, on different things about your niche. And once you do this, it'll probably be like 6 to 8 months later. This is how long it takes Google to rank new websites. So once you create that much content and it's been about 6 to 8 months, that's when you can expect income. It's a long time, I understand, but this is definitely something I recommend because the profits are definitely there once you put in the work, and it's really passive afterwards. After 6 to 8 months, you can easily be making $1,000 plus a month. You can even be making $5K a month if you have courses or anything around your niche. It's a lot that you can do with a website, so once you get it up and running and the audience with it. Okay, and on to our fourth best passive income idea, and that is creating a course. This might sound hard, but just think, what are you good at? I'm pretty sure it's something you're good at that you can teach others. You don't need to be a master at it, just knowledgeable enough to be able to share your experiences and your teachings to be able to help somebody grow in whatever skill that is. This can be cooking, this can be cleaning, this can even be playing Fortnite. Whatever it is, I'm pretty sure it's something. You just gotta rack your brain if you can't think of nothing on the spot. This does require a little bit of work up front, but afterwards it's completely passive, because once you got all that work out of the way, you can just sell your course to whoever you want, and it's done already, so they can get all the information you already recorded. And don't worry, you don't need no fancy equipment that costs thousands of dollars to record or anything. You can literally just record with your phone. All you have to do is just walk somebody who wants to become knowledgeable in that topic step by step of how to get there, explaining about everything they need to do to be able to acquire that skill. And there's a couple of different places you can sell your online course. The most popular one is Udemy. They are a great website for selling online courses. Some other recommended ones will be Teachable and Skillshare. And if you're knowledgeable about website creation, you can even create your own website to be able to sell it straight off of your own website. This one right here can definitely make you a lot of money. It's hard to say how much. This can easily earn you $500, and some people even make $10,000 plus a month just off of their courses because of how they market and sell their course before they even put it out there on the market. Okay, and moving on to our fifth and last best passive income, that is by creating a print-on-demand store. And if you don't know what print-on-demand is, this is basically just printing different designs on, let's say, cups, mugs, t-shirts, stickers, blankets. It's a lot of different stuff you can use print on demand to print different designs on. It's very popular. The most popular choices that people go with though is shirts and mugs, because they're pretty much easier to sell to a larger audience. A lot of people want, you know, we all wear shirts and we all drink something. Like, you know, a lot of people don't need stickers, so shirts and mugs, that's pretty much what everybody wants. You can either go to Printful or Printify. Either one is fine. This is where you'll be creating your designs like t-shirts or mugs and like putting designs on there. And once you get your designs to your liking, you can go over to Etsy, Merch by Amazon, and Redbubble to be able to sell your merchandise now. And don't worry, you don't have to get the items shipped to you or anything. You don't even have to see the products. The way this works is your supplier, which is Printify or Printful, whatever one you chose, they take care of all the designs for you. So once you make them, they just ship them out to your customers once they sell now. And that right there is what makes it so passive. So once you get that sale, you know, Printful, Printify, they get the cut. They get their cut of the profits, and then you get the rest. You can easily make $500 plus per month by doing this. Some people even make over $10,000 a month by just selling simple shirt designs. The way they do this is they don't just make, you know, like 2 or 3 designs. They make like 50, 100 different designs and all put them in their shop, because it don't matter if you went with Printify or Printful, you can make as many designs as you want, and then once they sell, you get the profits for them. So if you got one that blow up, you know, those sands on shirts that do really well, like, you know, a simple sand, like, you know, the ones coffee, dog, sleep or something, those that might have blown up with Printify or Printful and, you know, sold for a lot of money. And that's how they make great cash from Printify. You just got to keep making designs, and if one blow up, that would be great for you. Alright, now right there is 5 great passive income ideas that you can start in 2022. It's real simple to get into all of them. All you gotta do is just learn a little bit about them. Social media, I'm pretty sure we all got that. So, you know, it's different learning curves for all of them, but they're all great ones that you can start, and it's basically free for all of them. Thank you for sticking this long to the end of the video. Like and subscribe if you like it, because I come out with that great content all the time. You have a nice day.